Sometimes I catch myself giving advice to others or even to myself. I say I should stop checking my phone so often, it wastes my time. This is very important. Please repeat one more time. I should stop checking my phone so often, it wastes my time. When my friend forgets his umbrella, I tell him, you should always check the weather before leaving the house. You should always check the weather before leaving the house. When I see someone struggling, I think they should ask for help instead of trying to do everything alone. They should ask for help instead of trying to do everything alone. When my colleague looks tired, I suggest you should take a quick break. It will help you focus better. You should take a quick break. It will help you focus better. Even when I am working late, I say to myself, I should not skip meals just because I am busy. I should not skip meals just because I am busy. These moments of advice happen every day, and using should helps me express them naturally. There are moments when I need to make a quick choice. For example, when I see a long line at the cafe, I quickly decide I could go to the next coffee shop instead. When I'm picking between two routes, I tell myself I could take the shortcut today if the traffic looks bad. Sometimes, when I have two tasks, I think I should complete the urgent one first. And when I'm late, I decide I would take a cab this time to save time. I would take a cab this time to save time. But if I see it's too expensive, I tell myself I would not pay that much for a 5-minute ride. I would not pay that much for a 5-minute ride. In these small moments, could, should, and would help me manage my day smoothly. Life always brings small problems. When my laptop freezes, I think I should have saved my work earlier. I should have saved my work earlier. When I miss a call, I tell myself I could call back right now or maybe text first. I could call back right now or maybe text first. When I accidentally send a wrong file, I say I should not have rest. I say I should not have rest. When I drop my keys, I smile and I think I would not have dropped them if I was not in such a hurry. When I see someone spill coffee, I think that could have happened to me too. That could have happened to me too. Using these words helps me explain mistakes, choices, and small surprises in a natural way. Hey learners, I hope you are enjoying this practical journey with me. If you are finding these examples useful, please give me this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Englam Light Up Your English. It's me, Nitin, and I'm here to help you learn English in a natural, interesting, and easy way. Let's keep going. Helping others is a big part of our day. When I see someone carrying heavy bags, I always think I should offer to help. I should offer to help. When someone asks for help, I reply, I would love to help you with this. I would love to help you with this. When I notice a mistake, I gently say, you should not worry, we can fix this together. You should not worry, we can fix this together. When someone says they might be late, I usually say, I could wait for you if it does not take too long. I could wait for you if it does not take too long. Offering help sounds friendly, and these words make my sentence soft and kind. I often think about possibilities throughout the day. When I see grey clouds, I think it could rain soon, so I should carry an umbrella. So I should carry an umbrella. When I see a great offer online, I wonder it could be a good deal, but I should check the reviews first. It could be a great deal, but I should check the reviews first. When someone invites me to a new restaurant, I say, I would love to try it sometime. I would love to try it sometime. When I plan my weekend, I think I could visit the park or I could stay home and relax. I could visit the park or I could stay home and relax. When I look at an empty street, I wonder, I would not walk here alone at night. I would not walk here alone at night. These small thoughts help me make safer and smarter choices. There are also moments when I think about things I missed or should have done differently. When I miss a great sale, I say, I should have brought it yesterday. I should have brought it yesterday. When I forget to wish a friend on their birthday, I feel I should not have forgotten that was important. I should not have forgotten that was important. When I look at old photos, I sometimes think I could have joined that trip, but I stayed home instead. I could have joined the trip, but I stayed home instead. When I remember a moment, I rushed a decision. I feel I would not have done that if I had more time to think. I would not have done that if I had a more time to think. When I missed an opportunity, I remind myself it could have been amazing, but maybe another chance will come. It could have been amazing, but maybe another chance will come. These words help me express feelings honestly and naturally. When I chat with friends, I love using these words to keep the conversation light and fun. When planning something, I say, we should totally go for ice cream this evening. We should totally go for ice cream this evening. When I see something exciting, I say, I would love to try that new game. I would love to try that new game. When I am not sure, I say, I could join if I finish work on time. I could join if I finish work on time. When someone offers me too much food, I laugh and say, I should not eat this much, but I cannot resist. I should not eat this much, but I can't resist. When I remember a funny mistake, I say, I would not have believed it if I didn't see it myself. I would not have believed it if I didn't see it myself. Fun conversations like these make English learning enjoyable. Thank you so much for joining me today in this detailed practical story. This is Nitin from England. Light up your English. Remember, you can use should not, could not, would not every day to talk about your advice, your choices, your regrets, your plans, and even your jokes. The more you hear them, the more you practice them, the more natural they will feel in your speaking. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave your own sentence in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Englam for more easy and useful English lesson. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.